Hey guys, for the assignment today, you are going to need to use this website, census.gov/quickfacts. You don't have to remember the URL because it'll be available for you in a couple of slides, okay? But I'm going to model to you the correct way to use QuickFacts and some of its capabilities to make this assignment a little more easier for you. Okay, so first you need to be looking at the website itself. It will come up with all of the topics listed here. It has headers and subheaders, and it already shows the numbers for all of the United States as of 2019, July 1. Okay, but if I'm going to look up a city, one of the cities that I need to do, and in this case, I'm just going to look up the city that we live in. And as I type it in, there's already a drop-down bar for me to select Garden City, Kansas. And you will notice it creates a new column for Garden City, Kansas with that information. What I see new that I would like to explain is if you see NA, it means it's not available data as of right now, okay? So some information you're going to be looking up and that I'm going to model now would be, how about the percentage of people living in Garden City that are younger than 18? So I'm going to look at my headings and I see persons under 18. We have 30% of people under 18. And I can compare that to the United States, where about 22% of the people are under the age of 18. So we have a little bit of a younger population. What about the percentage of people that are Hispanic and Latino in our city? So the next column header seems to say race and Hispanic origin. I notice Hispanic or Latino percent, and it states that in Garden City we're at 50.4% as comparison to all of the United States at 18%. We can make the inference that we have a larger population of Hispanic or Latino origin. Okay. What about the vocabulary word we learned? The median household income for Garden City. So I'm going to scroll and I'm looking for income, health, economy, income. Median household income, and it's stating specifically from 2018, is $54,305. In comparison to the United States, we notice that it is a little bit lower, and we could make the inference that our housing prices or our cost of living here is also lower than that of the general United States. Okay. The last trick I would like to show you is in your assignment, you're not only going to be comparing one city, but you're going to be comparing multiple cities. And so I can go in here and type in another city and it will aggregate the data to show me that particular city. So say for instance, I wanted to look up my hometown of Ontario, California. As you can see, it aggregates it so that I'm now comparing Ontario, where I'm from, to Garden City, where I'm at, to the United States. And so I would be able to look at that first question, persons under 18, and compare all the data across the table. Now, in this particular assignment, you will be comparing 3. So I'm going to look up a city that I love the most, which is Eugene, Oregon. And now I can compare Eugene, Oregon to Ontario, California, to Garden City, Kansas, to the United States, all the way across the table. This will help you answer your questions a lot faster once you get your table to look like this with all 3 of the city choices that you will have. If you have any questions about how this website works, you can refer back to this video. Enjoy your assignment. I can't wait to find out where you think you should live.